The most delicious, high-protein Chipotle steak bowl. Only 500 calories, so much flavor, and so easy to meal prep. Season your steak with garlic, parsley, paprika, cumin, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, and for the green sauce you need avocado, fat-free yogurt, coriander, garlic, salt, and pepper. Blend till smooth and creamy, then cook the steak for 10 minutes till you get a nice crust. Then make the salsa with tomato, red onion, bell pepper, coriander, salt, pepper, and lime juice. Finally distribute into 4 equal servings, then serve and enjoy.